So you keep hearing OBS, 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 and you want to know what the heck it is and how it could help you with your videos. OBS is an extremely powerful video production and recording software. In plain terms, you can take the plain old video and audio coming from your phone or whatever device you're using and do literally anything with it to make your videos much more interesting, interactive, and engaging. In fact, I'm going to show you 10 ways OBS can do that as today's weekly hack. I'm Sheldon Lowe, bringing you one step closer to making your own videos like a boss. Okay, 10 ways to use OBS. Go live or record your videos. Use multiple camera devices. Share your screen. Create scenes and transitions. Add media like videos, MP3s, and graphics like lower thirds. Speaking of lower thirds, here's mine. If you're finding these videos helpful and want to make sure you never miss a hack, please subscribe to my list at sheldonlowe.com/VLab list. I'll even give you a freebie for signing up. Okay, back to the list. Set your own hotkeys to trigger graphics and scenes. Mix audio sources such as mics, MP3s, and AV clips. Invite a guest on. Use OBS with Zoom and have all those same features and more in your Zoom meetings. Go live on YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, and everywhere else simultaneously. I'm just scratching the surface here with these 10, but if you can dream it, OBS can do it. Of course, there are plenty of other software options out there that can do much of the same, but I'm showing you OBS today for two main reasons. One, it's completely free. Two, it works on both Mac and PC. I hope this was helpful. If so, please show me some love by clicking that subscribe button, as well as a thumbs up and a comment on YouTube and on Facebook. Have a boss week and see you soon. I noticed my Facebook Lives, even through my high-end quality, all those same features and more in your Zoom meeting. Oh, Jesus. So you keep hearing OBS, OBS, OBS. 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 Should I do it again?